how's you guys doing today? I'm Harper, it's my mother, Angela.
Hi.
Angela.
Welcome back to Playtime with Harper.
With me, we make toy videos.
We do. And today we have
another package from Germany.
Yes. We got sent.
You can't see me very well.
We got sent another box from Germany.
Yeah.
And we are really excited to open it and check out what's in it and see what they sent us.
Yes, I can't wait.
But we had sent them another package that had different toys in it and some more food that they liked from the last package. And we are going to show you what all they sent us.
Yeah, I really hope they didn't get the licorice again.
But before we open this box and see what all we got from Germany, if you are new to the channel and have not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button down below.
It's down here somewhere. I think it's over here.
And give this video a thumbs up.
A big one.
Yes. And hit the notification bell to never miss an upload, which is on Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Yeah, those 2 days.
Yes. But we are going to go ahead and open this and see what our friends from Germany sent us.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Okay, so this is some of the stuff that they sent us. So they had sent these, well, really all this stuff last time, and we really liked these. They taste like peanut butter.
They are delicious.
They are so good.
Okay, probably these two things are my favorite.
But some more Kinder chocolate, which is really good.
And some more Milka.
Yeah, another chocolate bar. And these chocolate-covered bananas, which there is a banana puree inside. And at first when we tried these, we were really confused.
Well, I was really confused also. I didn't like them, and I still don't like them.
I grew to like them. At first, I wasn't sure what was in the middle of it, but it turns out these are delicious. I love them. And we got
more knoppers.
Some knoppers. And these are really good as well. And
knoppers.
And we figured out that the white stuff in them is like a milk cream.
Delicious.
So good. But they also sent a couple games.
2 games.
So this is one of the games. It's Ubongo.
Ubongo.
And I really hope that it has instructions in English because I have no idea how to play.
Or if it doesn't, show out the text our Germany friends.
Yes.
Germany.
But
Germany.
they drew a beautiful picture.
Yeah, Kaya and Louisa.
That's so cool.
So adorable. I love it.
That's awesome. And then here is another game. It looks super fun. But I have never seen either of these games here in the States.
Yeah.
But I'm really excited to check them out. But since we have already tried all these, I will make sure to post our video either in the card or in the description of our German-American food swap.
Yeah.
That way you can check it out and see our initial reactions to trying these delicious foods from Germany.
Those aren't very delicious, but okay.
I really like them. But what we're going to do is we are going to open these and see if they have English instructions.
Yeah. Wait, that one's already open.
Oh, well, hey. This one has already started a little bit. So we'll just open this one first.
Ooh, yeah, this is a weird texture.
Yeah, it's not like the smooth
Oh gosh,
boxes that we're used to. But let's check it out.
Oh,
Ooh, let's see if they're English.
That's not very. Nope.
These don't have English on them.
Oh gosh.
But, oh, this is cool. Looks like some of them broke off. But look at this. This is neat. It's got little zebras on the back of it.
Are they zebras?
It looks like it.
Oh, there are zebras. That's cute.
Okay, it comes with little baggies, little black bag, some pretty gems.
Ooh, those are really pretty.
Yeah. And some cards. Okay, so I am guessing that you are gonna have to like punch all of these out.
Ooh, I want to do that.
And fill in all of these with the punch outs.
Let's try it.
But it comes with a timer. That's cool. So I'll have to get a hold of our friends from Germany and find out how to play. And then maybe in a future video we will play and show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Because I really want to learn how to play.
Me
That'd
too.
be really cool. It looks like a really fun game.
Wait, what's this?
I'm guessing this is what these go in after you open them.
Oh,
Okay, so looking at the box of this, it looks like it's so much fun because the back of it, you can see it has like little arm things and little suction cups on them and cards. Let's open it and
yes.
see what all's in here.
The hand.
Okay, so directions. Let's see if any of it is in English.
Hands.
No English. It makes me wish that I spoke a little more German. Our friends in Germany have been, like, she was trying to teach me a little bit of German. I know a couple words, but I'm not very good at it.
They're stuck together.
I can't read this. Oh, they are.
I got it. I did that though. So.
These are really cute. You can see the suction cup on it. It's like a monster arm.
It is a monster arm.
We got a blue one, a yellow
A
one.
green one and a pink one.
That's awesome.
With a little pink suction cup.
But here are some cards. And this little monster.
That's so cute.
It is.
It looks like that guy from. It looks like that guy from like Monsters Inc.
Kinda. But what?
I wanna try.
That's really cool.
That's so awesome.
Well, I'm really excited to figure out how to play this game. Because it seems really fun.
Yeah.
I really want to take this monster out.
Yeah, me too. Hi, little monster.
This is so cool.
It's so adorable.
Okay,
I want to see what monster I get.
so I'm going to say that we're going to have, like, you maybe lay these cards out and then somebody has to push the eyeball down and whatever monster is showing is the monster that you try to pick up with the little hands. Maybe? Yeah, there are so many different cards.
They're so cute.
But they have like they could have different legs. Like this one has blue legs.
That one has pink legs.
This one has pink legs.
Orange legs.
Orange legs. Ooh, this one has wings. Oh, that's so cool. But yeah, so they have different facial expressions. This game looks like it's going to be tons of fun. But I would like to figure out for sure how to play it. Because I don't want to play it the wrong way. But I am super excited to figure out how to play. Okay, so since we don't know how to play those games, because I cannot read the directions, we are going to try these delicious foods. I feel like we should try this first. But this is what they look like.
They're delicious looking.
And we're gonna eat them.
Mmm.
They're so good.
What's that one build?
But yeah, these are delicious. They taste like peanuts, peanut butter, and they are peanuts, or made with peanuts. Super yummy. All right, well, since you don't like these, let's try one of these first.
Ugh.
Or next.
I have one. I want a tiny one. They smell really good.
They do. I love chocolate and banana. So good. But you can see there's like a jelly in there. Which is really strange at
I
first.
actually like it.
But they are so good. Delicious.
Mm.
You like it now?
Mm-hmm. Those banana things are delicious.
They are. So this is Kinder Chocolate. And I know that we have Kinder Chocolate here in the States, but I had never seen these. I mean, we have the eggs, like the Kinder eggs.
Yeah, those are good. They have like little toys inside.
Yeah, but I had never seen these before. But we really enjoyed them last time.
Yeah, we really liked them. They were probably my favorite.
Here's one for you.
Yay!
And one for me.
And chocolate never gets old.
But they're so cute.
They're so delicious.
They are.
They have like little dinosaur footprints on them.
They're crowns.
Oh, crowns.
But yeah, they're little crowns on them.
Mmm. That look like filling. It's delicious. Mmm.
These are really good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and this is a chocolate bar.
Milka!
Yes. Super good. Super yummy.
Delicious.
I can't open it.
Delicious. Mwah. Oh, they're in little squares. I forgot.
Yeah, little rectangles.
Can I have 4 squares?
No.
Uh-huh.
You can have 2.
Yay!
That was quick. But all right, so the last thing
Nuppers!
is these knoppers. And they're like wafers that have like chocolate and that milk cream.
Really yummy milk cream, yeah.
Or they have some kind of like a nut in them. I don't know, they're really good. There's wafers, they got cream, And they have chocolate.
Whoa.
But yeah, the bottoms are chocolate.
So messy.
But so yummy.
Mm-hmm. Look at my crumbs I have in there.
But these are really easy to chew. And they are so yummy. Well, we definitely have a mess to clean up. But we really enjoy making videos like this, and we are so glad that we have these awesome friends in Germany that we can send them goodies and they can send us some, and that way we can try different things, different games, different foods from a whole nother country. And we love this. This is fantastic.
It's so cool.
So thank you to our amazing friends in Germany for sending this delicious stuff and these awesome games that I'm going to have to figure out how to play. But I'm sure we could probably just figure it out, but I want to figure it out for sure. Especially for those of you that are familiar with Germany or live in Germany. We want to make sure we get it right. Right?
Mm-hmm. I just care about food right now.
Yeah. But this has been so much fun. And super excited to figure out how to play the games. And we will make future videos playing those games after we find out how to do it. But if you like this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up.
A big one.
A big one. And click the subscribe button down below.
It's down here somewhere. I think it's over here.
And hit the notification bell to never miss an upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Yeah, love today.
Yeah.
2 days. Not 4.
The links to our Instagram and Facebook are in the description below if you want to check those out. A chocolate whale now. But I will also put a link in the description of our other Germany video and in the card right here.
Right here.
But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye. Chocolate.